Hello friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Bopperai Engineers. Today we discuss about 3-wire PNP sensor. Its brown wire connect with positive supply, blue with negative, and black wire is its feedback. Normally operated between 8 to 32 volt DC. Output of all PNP sensor is always positive, so negative connect direct with load. In this video we learn how to connect 3-wire PNP sensor with miniature relay and PLC. First we connect sensor with miniature relay. Detailed video of sensor wiring is also available on my YouTube channel. Next move to PLC wiring. Complete Delta PLC wiring video also available on my YouTube channel. Some small load like indicator connect directed in series with sensor. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more technical updates.